The journey of steel for the USS Gerald R. Ford begins deep within the Earth. Raw materials move to the first stage of transformation. Steel is forged in fire, beginning the carrier's creation. Massive HSLA plates begin their path into naval history.
These steel giants arrive to begin the colossal build. Precision plasma cutting transforms raw metal into carrier components. Skilled American workers oversee every complex stage.
Precision engineering ensures unmatched quality. Complex shapes emerge as the ship's skeleton forms.
Make sure those slings are perfectly balanced. Torquing the final bolt now. We are secure.
In the assembly bay, skilled hands forge the future.
The arc ignites, power and precision combined.
Each perfect bead lays the foundation for strength. Post-weld care ensures flawless integrity. Laser precision confirms every curve meets naval standards. Completed sections move the carrier's construction forward.
Massive plates begin their transformation into the hull.
Precise curvature forms the hydrodynamic contours. Skilled operators position each plate for exact shaping.
Looks good. Dead on tolerance. Perfect alignment. Clear for next sequence.
Fine adjustments ensure structural perfection.
Piece by piece, a mighty vessel takes form. Vital conduits and structures lock into place. Seaming. Electrical networks begin powering the future carrier.
Each deck plate brings the carrier closer to completion.
Multiple trades converge to shape each module.
Electrical conduits weave the carrier's nervous system.
Every electronic component is placed with total precision.
Every weld, every bolt strengthens the ship's backbone.
Each module is a self-contained world, ready for integration.
Finishing touches ensure flawless readiness.
Every specification verified with uncompromising accuracy.
Ready to be integrated. Ready to serve.
Big Blue to Newport News. All clear for Module 3.
Backlines are clear down there.
Big Blue prepares to hoist a vital section.
Teamwork and precision
guide every colossal lift.
A testament to American engineering might.
Each component placed strengthens the Gerald R. Ford.
Every angle verified, every line precise.
The ship gains form section by section.
Strength and craftsmanship fused into steel. Every weld a testament to precision.
Ring. In etch intensity toward points of light, diet what diameters.
Innovation guides every decision.
Before welding, precision positioning is critical.
The island rises cement. The carrier's iconic silhouette emerges.
The island locks into place with absolute precision. Every fastening contributes to operational stability.
All clear, Tianus, Morris. The island's placement is flawless.
Teamwork positions each towering structure.
Hold it steady right there.
The pin is engaged. Applying final torque now.
Precision lowering completes another phase.
The A1B reactor, the heart of the Ford, is secured.
Thousands of gallons of haze gray armor and the hull.
Teams coat the superstructure piece by piece.
A flawless surface prepares the carrier for the sea.
Specialized non-skid coating ensures durability.
Advanced materials create a resilient landing surface.
Inspection ensures exceptional grip.
The advanced arresting gear expertly snags the sled.
The carrier begins her graceful journey from dry dock.
A milestone moment. The Ford meets the sea.
The island proudly stands bounding. The hull becomes a true carrier.
Catapult 1, track clear.
Roger that. Commencing system check. Clear the jet blast area.
Clear the landing area. Blaster handing her Matrosia.
A demonstration of engineering mastery.
EMALS wields immense electromagnetic force. Arresting gear initiates a controlled stop.
Deadload sled positioned. Ready for engagement.
A flawless retraction cycle ensures readiness. Every EMALS segment meets performance standards. Rigorous testing ensures reliability.
Nuclear fitters perform a symphony of precision.
Temperature regulation verified to perfection. Control teams uphold strict naval standards. Every component must meet absolute reliability.
Blue trace to port 4. Securing the connection now.
Systems respond flawlessly under testing.
Precision inspection guarantees mission readiness.
The Ford awakens as her electrical heart energizes.
Miles of conduits unify internal systems.
Propulsion systems roar to life.
Elevators prove capable of lifting the fleet's aircraft.
The hangar becomes a cathedral of aviation.
The carrier prepares for operational trials.
The Ford embarks on her first sea trials.
Propulsion systems push the carrier to full power.
Systems synchronized, Commander.
Navigation systems synchronize with precision.
The Ford withstands ocean force with stability.
Communication networks verify secure transmission.
Advanced sonar scans the deep.
The Ford prepares for her first real aircraft launch.
Precision positioning begins the sequence.
The shuttle locks. The aircraft becomes one with the system.
Shooter to pilot, you're cleared for launch.
Electromagnetic launch redefines naval aviation power.
A flawless launch poaching. The Ford proves her capabilities.
Arresting systems prepare for recovery tests. The moment of truth, Fredfi. Recovery begins.
Arresting gear absorbs colossal force.
Close-in defense systems respond instantly.
Missile cells validate readiness.
Automated weaponry calibrates accurately.
Electronic defenses counter hostile signatures.
Electronic defenses counter hostile signatures.
Safety systems react instantly.
The A1B reactor delivers unprecedented capacity.
Facilities ensure comfort
and readiness.
The Ford receives her final protective armor.
Every detail perfected before commissioning.
The Navy prepares to welcome its advanced supercarrier.
A symbol of national pride descends into view.
We are here today to commend this engineering triumph.
It is truly a remarkable achievement.
America's finest step aboard their new command.
The world's most advanced supercarrier sets sail.